This 2023 Grand Design Imagine 3100 Road is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, oven, leveling jacks, refrigerator, water heater, awning, smoke detector, spare tire kit, Skylight, LP detector, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Imagine 3100 Road is 7,558 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.